Oriri kugite wagagu thibitari-ini wa Naikuru. Kiama kia Mawakiri gicigo bunge kiu nimarurunganite ja igoti inene ria Naikuru kuria matetetie thirikari ya kaunti iyo.
We wanted to engage in a peaceful protest, and you can see the nature in which the county government is engaging. They hired goons to disrupt us. They hired goons to stop us from advocating for what we as advocates ordinarily need to advocate for, the rule of law. Our intention was not to engage in any political affairs. Our intention was just to indicate that the judiciary should be respected, their orders should be respected, and the independence of the judiciary should be affirmed as an equal partner.
Undu uyu uhanikite thutha wa thibitari ucio kwaga kuheana utungata uria urabatarania. Nimaugite ati maabitha a borithi ni makoretwo makihuthira hinya mukiru hari kuiga thayo na kumacokaniriria thibitari-ini ucio.
Instead, the county government has overseen a violent and forceful takeover of the hospital. In the process, it has crippled its operations, violating the rights of the patients. The Law Society of Kenya takes great exception to this kind of impunity, and this being overseen by the government of our own governor.
Nimongereire na kuga ati thirikari ya kaunti ni yunite watho thutha gwitikiria thibitari ucio uthie na mbere na urigitani thutha wa gukorwo na cira igoti-ini.
The Society of Kenya has keenly been following the case pitting the War Memorial Hospital against the county government of Naikuru. Now, this case has come in court on several occasions, and indeed the court has given express orders requiring the county government to allow the hospital to continue with its operations pending the hearing and determination of that case. It is extremely unfortunate that the county government
ni matetetie gavana wa kaunti iyo Susan Kihika uria maugite nyagondereire wira-ini wake kuonania maborithi nio marathararia mitaratara yao. Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, Getwo King'ori wa Gatundu.